Welcome to the Higher GCSE Maths quiz from onmaths. At onmaths, we're here to help you build confidence in maths through regular practice and revision. Today's quiz has 4 rounds of 5 questions, making 20 Higher GCSE Maths questions in total. Grab a pen or paper, or you can do any of these questions in your head. All the answers and explanations are at the end, and you need to keep track of your score as you go. Good luck, and let's begin. Round 1. Who's in command? Explain what the command word is asking you to do for each of these questions. Question 1. Solve this equation. Question 2. Estimate. Question 3. Expand. Question 4. Compare. Question 5. Factorize. Round 2. Name it. Name what is being described. So I'm going to describe 5 things, you just need to name what they are. Question 1. The direction opposite to west. Question 2. A line crossing a circle through the centre. Question 3. A quadrilateral that has exactly 2 parallel sides. Question 4. An angle between 90 and 180 degrees. And finally, question 5. A number with exactly 2 factors. Round 3. What's wrong? In each question, find something that is wrong. Question 1. I draw a triangle with sides 5 cm, 3 cm and 10 cm. I draw a triangle with sides 5 cm, 3 cm and 10 cm. Question 2. Any number divided by itself is 1. Any number divided by itself is 1. Question 3. Squaring a number always makes it larger. Squaring a number always makes it larger. Question 4. I drew 2 circles that were not similar. I drew 2 circles that were not similar. Question 5. The probability I get 2 heads on 2 coins is 50%. The probability I get 2 heads on 2 coins is 50%. Round 4. How absurd. You need to simplify the following surds. Question 1. Root 2 times 2. Root 2 times 2. Question 2. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Question 3. 10 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. 10 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Question 4. Root 50. Root 50. Question 5. 5 root 12. 5 root 12. And we'll do answers straight after this. Time for the answers. Round 1. Question 1. Solve this equation. When you're asked to solve, you're finding the value of a letter, such as x, so you want x equals. Question 2. Estimate. Now, estimate does not mean guess. If you said guess, nope, no marks for that. You need to round all the numbers in the question to one significant figure or a sensible number. So if you're asked to square root 50, you would round 50 to 49 because square root of 49 is 7. So all of that to find an approximate answer. Question 3. Expand means multiply out any brackets. Question 4. Compare. Now there's two things for comparing. You need to find and comment on differences. So you need to identify a difference and say something about it. You need both those to get the mark. Question 5. Factorise is the opposite of expand, so factorise is to put an expression into brackets. Round 2. Question 1. The direction opposite to west is east. Question 2. A line crossing a circle through the centre is a diameter. Question 3. A quadrilateral that has exactly two parallel sides must be a trapezium. Question 4. An angle between 90 and 180 degrees is obtuse. And question 5. A number with exactly two factors, which are 1 and itself, is a prime number. Round 3. Question 1. I drew a triangle with sides 5, 3 and 10 centimetres. Well, you can't, because 5 plus 3 is 8, so the last side could not have been 10 centimetres. Question 2. Any number divided by itself is 1 is not true, because 0 divided by 0 is undefined, not 1. Question 3. Squaring a number always makes it larger. If you square a half, you get a quarter. Therefore, any number between 0 and 1 will get smaller or stay the same, because 0 and 1 obviously will stay the same when squared. Question 4. I drew two circles that were not similar. All circles have to be similar. They're all enlargements of each other. You can't draw a circle that's not similar to another circle. Question 5. The probability I get two heads on two coins is 50%. When you have two coins, there are 4 outcomes. HH, or heads, is just one of the 4 outcomes. The others are HT, TH and TT. Therefore, the probability of getting two heads is a quarter, or 25%. Round 4. Question 1. Root 2 times 2 is just going to be 2 root 2. Question 2. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2 is 8 root 2. Question 3. 10 root 3 divided by 2 root 3 is 5 root 3. Question 4. Root 50. Well, square root of 50 can be rewritten as root 25 times root 2. Root 25 is 5, so it would be 5 root 2. Question 5. 12, or root 12, can be rewritten as root 4 root 3. Root 4 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10, so it would be 10 root 3. That's it for today's On Maths quiz. Want to keep practicing? Head over to onmaths.com or search On Maths for loads of free Key Stage 3 GCSE A-level maths questions, practice papers and revision tools to help you level up your grades. Visit onmaths.com and keep your maths moving forward.